but now I know where it is. So
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We got
Brandon,
Underground
AJ,
Theater.
Paulus,
Brandon, Petra was here. And then of course, we got me. What's up, y'all? And
hey, what's yours?
we're at Camp Skull
AJ?
Cave. Burnett Underground. Burnett
But,
Underground.
this is a huge cave. We're trying to get echoes
And
out.
we're at Camp Skull, y'all.
Logan's already in there.
So,
Aaron's in there with his other
heard this is gonna be a pretty crazy cave.
a bit of a hike, a bit of rain. Wait, hold up, guys.
It's gonna be a long hike. I'll let y'all know when we get closer, cause it's gonna be a long one.
It's only like a quarter mile, half a mile.
4 miles to the waterfall. You're supposed to go this way, right where it says no camping over there, that little sign.
Yeah.
And the cave is this way, not further.
Thank you, man.
Camp Skull Cave.
Oh, so we're getting pretty close to the entrance. We just took a right down a trail. This should be good. There was 2 cavers back a ways that said they backed out because apparently rising water. But we gotta go. We got men in there already, so we gotta go check it out. Man, is that a cliff I see up there? Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. Walking to a straight creek, yo. Oh, this is looking crazy.
Ready to make our way down?
Ready as always.
Down we go.
Look, guys, we're the mouth of the cave. This already looks pretty nuts. And I'm ready to get up inside her, you know. I love my caves and they love me. But this is a slick way down. Oh, I'm slipping. Whoa. That's nuts. Oh, bro. Oh, I'm slipping. Man, oh my. It's just black. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Dog. This is crazy. Where?
The left
Oh, this is crazy, y'all. It's raining pretty hard out here. My phone's getting freaking wet, so I'll let y'all know whenever we get into the cave, but that's just nuts, y'all. I already hear echo. Like, okay, y'all, so we're inside the cave now. And I mean, this cave just speaks for itself. It's so huge. And it's slick, like this. It's bad. I already fell once when I was turning on my headlamp. Dude, this is nuts. Oh! Man, I'm slipping and sliding down here. Oh, yeah, this is. Camp's Gulf Cave for y'all. Bro, this is just nuts. Like, dude, I can barely see the ceiling.
Dude, I'm already trash.
Let y'all know more when we get further. All right, y'all. So we're still here. This place is just huge. It's massive, slick, and cold. Very cold. Very cold. This cave looks nuts. Oh, we're coming up on a rock pile. Is this where the rope is? Oh boy. This is gonna get fun.
Y'all gotta give me a second.
Yeah, it's take a break. The shamak's all falling out like that. It's used to just go straight back. You know, it sounds like you can see it.
This is nuts, y'all. Oh, you can still kind of see the entrance over there.
If you stand over there, you get a good shot of the entrance.
All right, y'all. So this is pretty nuts. Don't know how on the way back down, but it's gonna be crazy.
Getting down's the easy part.
But we gotta go up this rope, up this way, and it's just gonna be nuts. Wish me luck.
It's just like a...
Hello, y'all. So this cave is freaking nuts. We got Hollis and Brandon still down there. Petro's going down. And we gotta go all the way up there. This looks slick. So, let y'all know if we make it to the top.
Let's go per settings.
Alright, y'all, so me, Brandon, and Hollis, we're still making our way up here. I'll let Hollis go before me, since he knows the way. We can get around that. We're going up there. This is
like a rock that fell onto the rope. Onto the rope. Quit pulling it. For real.
It's crazy.
Jam like a motherfucker.
Yeah. I'll let y'all know when we get to the top. It's too dangerous to record right here. Alright, y'all. Here's Sean, your light up and around. We made it.
That's all I got.
One of the largest rooms. It's crazy. This is just nuts. That was a crazy. Yeah, I know. This is nuts, y'all. This is a big old cave. Hey, go! Yeah, this is nuts, y'all. Crazy.
It's gonna be like the last.
Hey, y'all, so, whoa, this rock is moving on me. Okay, yeah. So, we made it to the big room. Sean, yeah, like, this ain't the biggest, but we're up in here, and it's so dangerous for recording here, because we're just I can't even speak, dude. This cave is just nuts. Bro, this is actually crazy. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, this is cool, Mike.
So I think we're going over this way. Whoa.
Oh, yeah, you go that way.
Whoa. The entrance is back that way.
Follow that wall right there.
Yeah, so if we do go too far, all we have to do is just follow the left wall.
There's another exit.
But
Hold up.
what? Oh, there's a registry, man.
Hold up. Let me get that shit on video though. Act like you didn't see it.
Crazy. I'll let y'all know when we get down there.
But let's make it deeper.
All right, y'all. So we're at the registry at the moment, and this one's either vandalized or something, because there's no paper you can sign. Wait, hold on. No, it's just water. That's, and the registry's in such a sketchy spot too.
Has to be the way.
Well, let's see.
Alright, so maybe pass from the empty register.
Let y'all know more.
Slipping and sliding.
This is just nuts. Oh yeah.
Some more stacks.
So we're going down this big old rock pile, and I mean it just keeps going. I love caving, man. It's just so fun. It's so cool. Oh, another rock stack over there. Okay. Yeah, that looks like it goes down into darkness, bro. Ooh.
Oh, dude, this is definitely the way to.
Yeah. Probably for sure.
I believe this is the way. Yeah.
Oh. So we got a rock stack right here. I'll let y'all know whenever we get down there. Yeah, I know. I've never been in this one, and this is further than you've ever been.
Where would this come from?
Up there, that little
That
crack,
crack. Okay.
that crack right there. Oh yeah, set a rock pile right there. Yeah, it was that crack right there. Yeah, beautiful. That works. Hey, 'cause that crack was weird getting up. Yeah, 'cause this is a new cave for most of us.
Yeah.
I guess Hollis has been here once. Is this as far as you gone? How far did you go, Hollis?
Oh, I stayed in that first room. Yeah, you know that first room.
Oh, so this is new territory.
For everybody.
Oh. So.
Getting out of the slick shit now. Hold up. I'm trying to catch that shit.
Yeah, we got rock piles, and we know reflectors. So I think we'll be good.
We gotta go over it that way.
Okay. Looks like there's a pancake we have to go through.
Yeah.
It's always gonna be nice. Oh, this looks like Slick Nation. Oh. Yeah, it's a whole lot of awesome sauce, man.
Crack rock. Turn right and go up that crack rock.
This cave
I'm
is...
not digging it no more. Because it's just getting smaller.
Hey, there's more this way. Oh, that's a good pic. Slick and crazy.
It's so slick.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy slick. Oh yeah, I see like a little rock sitting up there.
It's another big room in here.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh wow, shining light up post. Wow. Wow. Whew. Should we keep on pushing? I think we should. I gotta get a good video.
It's just gonna get bigger and bigger.
I know.
Once we hit that big room, that's what I'd like to find. I don't
Yeah,
know
for
how
real.
far it is.
That's Petro's whole goal.
Yeah, I don't know how far it is.
Yeah. So,
We don't hit this go.
Petro ain't making a video. Wow, this is nuts. I think we gotta get up there. Yeah. I know. We go it that way. You can there's something like that.
Red rock. Look, see the red rock?
Yeah.
Y'all hear me? Look back, see the red rock?
Oh, I seen it.
No, it's like, I'm pretty sure it's one of those.
I'll let y'all know more. Bro, this is crazy, y'all. The second big room. Dude, I'll say we keep going.
Huge.
Huge.
Reminds me of something.
This cave is just absolutely nuts.
Dude, that's insane.
This is insanity. Camp's golf, y'all. This is nuts, y'all. Crazy. Yeah, I know, like we need like 3 of those on each helmet.
Big phantoms, like the big fancy blue lights.
That looks like that just goes, bro. Look at that.
We're coming right down here, though. This one's huge.
Holy crap. Lights don't even do justice in this cave.
Look, there's an AJ on the wall.
Hey, why is my name up on the wall? Wait, hold up. Hold up.
Hey, yo, brother.
Oh, what? Well, at least I'm in this cave. Bro, it's like a beach, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Bros. Oh my. Like, y'all. My lights ain't even doing justice, bro. Whoa. Whoa. Bro. Dude, what? Bro. Dude, this is nuts. Whoa. Bro. Whoa. Dude.
It really is. What the fuck? Wow.
Bro.
Dude, I could come in here and have some drinks.
Dude, set up a lawn chair.
Yeah.
Set up a lawn chair.
It's actual sand.
Here, shine your light over there. What is that?
Oh.
Oh,
My light does nothing.
bro, what?
My light does
We need a
nothing.
kayak. Oh, there's flowing. Whoa. All right, y'all. There's tons of gnats. But this is about as far as we can go. We ain't got no kayak or nothing. But
Hey, shine your big ass light up on the top.
this is crazy, y'all. This is just nuts. Like, this is a whole beach. And thank you everybody who's supported my channel so far. I appreciate all of y'all. I'll keep up the content. I just feel free to comment. Let me know what y'all think.
I ain't never seen so many gnats in a fucking cave.
Yeah, like the gnats in here are just nuts. Like, it's just so unnecessary.
I didn't expect to come across sand.
But yeah, no, this is sand, y'all.
There used to be perfect camping for
Like, that's sand.
That's why they could
Oh. So we've made it to the top of it. And this is just so, lights don't do no justice. And my light's bugging on me, I don't know why. Yeah, my light's straight bugging. I don't know what's wrong with it. But what? It's all crystal crazy. Man, this cave has just been blowing my mind. Like, look at the sparkles in this. I don't know if y'all can see the sparkles. Yeah. That's crazy. Crystals. All this is just filled with crystals. Let's go check out what these people are looking at. What are we looking at? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
It's crazy. Just laying there, dude.
Whoa.
Crazy. There's some more.
I'll set it up.
That's crazy. So I made it to another rock pile. Starting to make our way up out of this cave. Oh yeah, I see the big reflectors. Yeah. Man, where's Aaron at?
Oh no, I thought he was supposed to be in here.
Yeah.
Watch me like asleep in the truck. No one check the truck.
Yeah. Oh, hit my head.
Did you go eat pop? Oh, so bad it hurt.
Yeah, that looked like a... I'm sliding down it.
That's an ass slide, bro. Stay on your ass for now.
That was easy. Yeah, there's the rock crack. We gotta go up.
And I just feel at home like right here. You know it, bro?
Yeah.
I said it's literally like a big break point. I just like feel like I'm in break point.
It kind of smells like Grave Point. Whew. Oh. That's gonna be a fun crack to get up. Alrighty, y'all. So we're back at the first big room that we came into. My light's acting a little goofy. I don't know what's going on with it. But this room is just huge.
There's a gas leak in here.
I'm just sitting here by the rock piles.
You're like cut with a straw right here.
This is just nuts, y'all. Hey, y'all. So, we're at the ropes again. This is probably gonna be the worst part. 'Cause it's just slick downhill. Whew. This is dumb on camera. Can't believe I'm filming this on camera while going down this. Oh, man. Oh. Okay. Whoa, I'm still on rope. Whoa. Okay, find a safe spot. Okay, off rope. It keeps going down. Sorry if the video quality is pretty bad, but trying to get y'all a video of just how crazy this is, dude. And it just drops right over the edge. Don't grab that rope. I'm currently on it. Oh. Whew. Shoo. We're sliding down. Is this the ledge we had? No, this is the rope ledge. Okay. Oh. Dude, this is scary, bro. The foot over there. Kind of just fall into this hole. Yeah. Okay. Still going down. Oh, that was a tight squeeze. One hand's in these. Yeah, that's the ledge we have to go over right there. And that's scary, bro. It's so scary. But I ain't gonna video it because I need both hands. So I'll let y'all know when I'm done at the bottom. Alright, y'all, so I made it to the bottom. It's crazy. Oh, and it's still like this slick nation up here. This is crazy.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Sketchy part.
And this is level. This is what we're walking up.
Okay, you want to grab this one?
Oh yeah. Let y'all know more when we get to an open space. Cause that was nuts. Alright, so there's the entrance up there. And we're getting closer. Man.
It's cold now. It feels good.
Yeah, I know it feels great. Feels great. Like you could run through this whole thing.
We can like run through here.
Here, let me get a video. You run. Run.
We ran all the way up.
Oh yeah. Well, we made it to the entrance. Did you throw that at me?
What?
A mud glomp? Oh. But we're at the entrance. Thank y'all for watching.
Damn.
It was a crazy cave. Crazy cave. Peace.